Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 C300 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we got 17-inch 5-stroke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A silk beige MB-Tex interior with a dark linden wood trim. Panorama sunroof. C300 4MATIC badging. Open up the tailgate, got a clean set of floor mats. Premium 1 package with blind spot assist. Burmeister sound system, heated seats. An LED logo which appears when you open the door. Heated steering wheel. Smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Push start ignition. Rear view backup camera. Media display. Dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, cup holders, turn wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This C-Class has 36,000, 20 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.